Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, May 21, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
I know, right? I'm so tired after yesterday's meeting.
Yeah, those long meetings kill me. Hey, did you see the news about the big international deal?
Oh, the one with the trade agreement between two big countries? Yes, I read about it.
Exactly. They're saying it's going to open up a lot of new markets.
That's true. It could mean more projects for us, I think.
For sure. More markets, more sales for me to chase.
And more work for my team to plan. Do you think it will help small companies too?
I hope so. But you know, big companies usually win first. We'll see.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. What else did you see in the news?
Oh, there's this cool thing about tech and money. Some big company just launched a new payment app.
Really? Is it something we could use here at work?
Maybe. They say it's super fast, like pay in 2 seconds.
That sounds useful for quick deals. But is it safe?
They claim it's very safe with new tech. I'm thinking of trying it for my sales reports.
I'd wait a bit. New apps sometimes have problems.
True. I don't want my money disappearing.
Exactly. Let's see what others say first.
Good call. Oh, and did you hear about that huge music event coming up?
Yes? The global concert with over 10 famous singers. It's all over the news.
Yeah, it's going to be streamed online for free. I'm still watching it after work.
That's nice. It's great to see something fun bringing people together.
Totally. I need a break from all the office stress.
Me too. Do you think they'll play old songs or new ones?
I hope some old hits. Takes me back to easier days.
Same here. I miss those simple times sometimes.
Hey, maybe we can watch it together with the team. Make it a small office party?
That's a fun idea. I'll check if everyone's free.
Cool, let me know. It'd be nice to chill with the crew.
For sure. I'll send a quick message to the group later.
Awesome. Man, the news today is full of big stuff, huh?
It really is. Makes you think about how fast things change.
Yeah, one day it's trade deals, next day it's tech. Then concerts, keeps us on our toes.
That's true. I like staying updated though. Helps with planning.
Same here. Especially for sales. Gotta know what's hot out there.
Exactly. Knowledge is power, right?
100%. Hey, how's your day looking? Busy as always?
Oh yes, I have 3 meetings before lunch. What about you?
Oh, I've got a ton of calls to make. Clients never stop.
I feel you. Just keep that coffee close.
Ha! This coffee is my best friend today. I'm gonna need a refill soon.
Same. I think I'll grab another one after my first meeting.
Good plan. Hey, did you finish that report for the boss yet?
Not yet, but I'm working on it. Deadline is tomorrow.
Nice. You've got time? I'm still waiting on some numbers from a client.
That's annoying. Hope they send it soon.
Fingers crossed. If not, I'm in trouble.
You'll be fine. Just send a quick reminder.
Yeah, I'll do that. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
I love that. You're always so positive.
I try. Keeps the stress away.
I need to learn that from you. I'm always running around like crazy.
It's all about balance. Take small breaks like this one.
True. These coffee chats save my day. Best part of the morning.
Same here. It's nice to catch up before the chaos starts.
Totally. Oh, speaking of chaos, I better check my emails soon.
Me too. I've got a project update to send.
All right, let's get back to it. Catch you later.
For sure. See you at lunch, maybe?
Sounds good. Have a great morning, Alex.
You too, David. Take it easy.
Will do. See you around.
See you?
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.